Good morning, students. This is your social study period now. Students, last day I have given you a revision work on chapter 1 and 2. I think by this time you have completed the answer. Yes, today I have shared the answer in Vasam app. From there you will collect and check the answers. You must do it. And today we are going to do the revision work on chapter 3 and 4, the northern plain and the western desert. Okay, so listen the questions and you have to find out the answer. You can find out the correct answer only if you give a reading thoroughly. Give a reading the chapters thoroughly. Okay, then listen the questions. 1. An area watered by a river and its tributary. You have to write the answer. 1 or 2 words. Okay, only one word. If there is any special case, you can write 2 words also. 2. Another name for Indo-Gangetic Plain. Answer you have to write. 3. Name one country other than India which is the part of Indo-Gangetic Plain. Other than India, you can write one only. Number 4. Name one great river other than the river Ganga, or you can say Ganges, which forms Sundarban Delta. I am repeating. Name one great river other than the river Ganges, which forms Sundarban Delta. Okay. Number 5. Question number 5. Name one great river other than the river Ganges and Brahmaputra, which forms northern plain. Another question number 5. Listen. Name one great river other than the Ganges and Brahmaputra, which forms northern plain. 6. What is the place of the origin of Brahmaputra river? You have to write the name of place, country. Number 7. On which river the Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built? On which river the Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built? You have to write the name of river. 8. Name one tributary of the river Ganges. One tributary you will write. There are many tributaries. You have to write only one. Number 9. Which glacier is the origin of river Ganges? Number 10. By which name Brahmaputra is called in Tibet? By which name Brahmaputra is called in Tibet? 11. Which branch of river Ganges flow into West Bengal? I am repeating. Question number 11. Which branch of river Ganges flow into West Bengal? You have to write the answer. Number 12. Name the largest desert in India. Number 13. Which state falls mostly in mostly in Thar Desert? Question number 13. Which state falls mostly in Thar Desert? Already I have told the answer, no? And I think you know this. 14. Name the plant which is mostly found in desert. Number 15. Which canal has changed the face of the desert region? Which canal has changed the face of the desert region? Number 16. An area in a desert with water and greenery. An area in a desert with water and greenery. These are the 16 questions today I have given for 1 or 2 word question answer. Okay, you have to write the answer in 1 or 2 words and you will check it tomorrow. Today you have to complete the answer. Find the answer from the chapter. Read out the chapter thoroughly. You will get the answers. And tomorrow I will share the answers in WhatsApp app. So the class ends here. Till then, goodbye.